Hi everybody, happy Sunday afternoon. I hope you're all well and have had a really good weekend. Are you or have you been considering collagen supplementation, but you're just not certain whether it's something that will benefit you or something that you should invest in? If so, this video might help you to make your decision. I'm Kirsty Broder. I am a dentist, oral health coach and facial aesthetics practitioner. I've actually got a really keen personal interest in women's health and the impact of not only ageing, but hormonal health, i.e. menopause, on our general health too. So it's my role as a dentist and facial aesthetics practitioner. I'm really primarily focused on the impact of menopause on oral health and also the processes of skin aging too. Now, what is absolutely clear to me is that we need to take a holistic and whole body approach to our health as we age and as we transition through the menopause. And I believe that we really can, with simple measures, take steps to support our body and potentially limit what is inevitably a decline in our health, our appearance, our overall confidence, as a result of the chronological aging process that's just as we get older. But perhaps more significantly, the impact of hormonal change too. Now, if you've been on the fence about taking a collagen supplement, I'd love for you to share why with me. Please pop your thoughts down below. I quite commonly get asked the question, why should I take a collagen supplement? And this is quite a difficult question to answer without getting into deeper consultations about a client's concerns, ailments, and the emotional drivers that have kind of triggered the thought processes of perhaps I should use a collagen. Why should I take a collagen supplement? Perhaps I should. So here's a little bit of food for thought. Before the age of about 25, our body is perfectly capable of producing enough collagen to support our total body's needs. If you don't know what collagen is, it's actually a protein that basically forms the scaffold of our body, okay? Now, after the age of 25, about 25, our body stops being able to produce enough collagen, and hence, slowly but surely, we start to notice the subtle changes and signs of aging. We start to notice wrinkles forming, and as we move through the years and decades, our endogenous collagen production, that's the collagen that we make ourselves, just continues to decrease. Cue menopause, and the reduction in estrogen further impacts our collagen production, and things can spiral. We may notice joints start to ache, our hair starts to thin, our nails start to get brittle, deeper wrinkling in our skin sagging, and more, and more. So we are up against it. We simply cannot make enough collagen ourselves. So how are we going to stave off these changes? How are we going to continue to look and feel younger when all of this is going on in our body and we cannot physically stop it? We can get collagen from external sources, from animal sources, meat, fish, poultry. But the collagen size that we eat, it's usually very large particles, and therefore it's difficult for our body to absorb. But if the body can't absorb it, it will just be excreted, and it's impossible to eat enough collagen from food sources to sustain our total body's needs. Hence, the boom in collagen supplementation. Collagen supplements have been created that are more easily absorbed and more readily available to our body. They are bioavailable. They're readily available to our body to be used so that they can provide support to our skin, joints, hair, nails, and ultimately to try to delay the physical changes that we see and feel as a result of the chronological and hormonal aging processes that we all go through. Now, the evidence for collagen supplementation benefits are sparse, okay? So the evidence is a little bit sparse. But there has been research done, and there is evidence that does show benefits of collagen for joint health, osteoarthritis, and skin health, Okay, now there's certainly room for more and more research and better evidence, and it is coming. There is more and more out there, there is more being done, which is quite exciting. So I decided to use a collagen supplement, irrespective of the evidence being sparse. What I've read I think is good, and I decided to use collagen supplement because I wanted to give myself the best chance of aging well and reducing my own signs and symptoms of aging. Now, I'm not saying it's a miracle cure for your joint pain or hair loss. However, I have had clients who've reported back to me saying that they have had less joint discomfort and they've noticed more rapidly growing hair and nails since they started to take the collagen. So there is, client-based research and evidence there as well. People have been happy to take it. So instead of kind of asking, why should I use a collagen supplement, sort of want you to flip it on the head really and consider the question, well, why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't you use a collagen supplement? Because I think it's quite important to be able to give our bodies the best chance against the aging process, which is going to happen anyway, and collagen supplementation does help to support that. So if you would like to find out a little bit more about the collagen supplement that I use, I'd be delighted to share more with you. I have got a super discount code. It gives you 20% off your order and all future orders actually. It sticks to your account. If you would like to give it a try, perhaps see the difference it could make for you. You can literally just put the word discount below and I will share my link directly with you. If you've got any questions, I'm more than happy to answer as well. The more questions, the better. It helps me to learn as I go along and I love it. So I hope this was useful to you. As I said, I'm Kirsty Broder, dentist, oral health coach, facial aesthetic practitioner, and my interests are in oral health and the signs and symptoms of chronological and aging and menopause as well. So I hope this has been useful to you, helping you to understand why collagen supplementation is important and hopefully to help you to consider why you might consider trying it. Take care for now.